Well, the shot put, well, Dave Storl, an off day today. He ended up in third place, and his best throw came in the third round at 20 metres and 77. It looked a little further than that on the tape, but 20.77 was the best. 2 more no throws and a 20.12, the world shot of the Olympic silver medalist, I should say. But what about this New Zealander, Tom Walsh? He came second, and it took his very last throw, 20 metres and 79, to overtake Dave Storl by, what, 2 centimetres. He was second in the Commonwealth Games in the shot at 21.19, and has had a very, very good season indeed. And Reese Hoffa, of course, once again, the world champion in 2007, the Olympic bronze medalist in 2012, had a 21.06 in the 5th round. That was good enough to beat them all. He was the only man to go beyond 21 metres, the rotator. And he won the Glasgow Grand Prix with 21 metres and 67, incidentally. So he's in pretty good form recently. He's had a bit of a rest before the European Championships were on. But there it is, 21.06. Tom Walsh of New Zealand, 20.79, and Dave Storl of Germany, 20.77 in third place. Ryan Whiting and Christian Cantwell really off song, weren't they? And Majeski, the former Olympic champion, didn't actually get into the last 3 throws. Hoffa, Storl and Kovacs. Hoffa has the lead, 15 to 9 to 8.